Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota Harrier. It has the 3.0 V6 engine, same as the LEXUS RX 300 here in the United States. This vehicle has an automatic transmission and comes with 60,729 original miles. This vehicle is four-wheel drive. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. It does come with the divider in the back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number you're seeing on the bottom, 97,736. That is the kilometers. The miles again is 60,729. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. I also did want to let you know that when you start the vehicle and put it in drive, all the doors will lock. So then when you put it in park and shut it off, the only door that will be unlocked is the driver's. So you'll have to click the button to unlock all the doors. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos or deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We do appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day. Thank you guys so much.